Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to be making shortbread cookies. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So let's get started. So these are powdered sugar. Next we have salt, and this is our butter. We will also be using cornstarch. This is our sieved all-purpose flour, and here we have vanilla flavor. So these are all the ingredients we'll need for this. So for the first step, you'll need a clean bowl like this, and then you pour in your butter. Next, we'll add in our powdered sugar. Okay. So you add little by little, and then you mix everything up. You add the remaining half of the sugar. So you mix in the powdered sugar. So I'm going to add in my vanilla flavor. 1 cupful. And then you mix. So now I'll be adding my flour little by little. You don't have to put everything at once. So after adding in all the flour, next I'm gonna add my salt. Note, this salt is only necessary when you're not using unsalted butter, but if your butter is salted, then you have to skip this part. So I'm going to mix that up properly. Next, I'll add in my cornstarch. Next, I'm just going to rub my palm with butter and then match this in just to make sure everything is well mixed. So now I'll put in some of my dough right here. Make sure you roll out slightly, it doesn't need to be too flat. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and leave for about 30 minutes before cutting. So now just add a little flour. This is what it should look like after bringing it out from the fridge. So now we'll have to cut into sizes. So guys, shortbread biscuit is ready. You can see how clean and neat this is. So this is the aroma, the quality is the same as the one you can get in the supermarket. Try this recipe. If you have any question, talk to me in the comment section, okay? You really have to try this out, guys. This is so lovely, it's so nice and yummy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.